Cincinnati, Ohio. Here I have our newest 15-day board and train. This is Maya. Maya is a Beagle rescue mix that came to us because, well, she's a little overexcited. She gets, as you can see, she pulls on the leash. She's heavily distracted around with her environment. We are going to see what she does and doesn't do for me, and then we're going to go ahead and take it from there. Maya, can you come? Can you come? No, that's all right. It's going to reel you in. That's all right. Maya, can you sit? Oh, you can't sit. That's great. What about down? Can you down? Can you down? No? That's all right. What about a walk? You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Oh, right, Maya. All right. As you can see, we've got a lot of work to do. She is not paying attention to me. She's paying attention to the dog behind her. A little bit of whining, a little bit of excitement. You can stay tuned for the remainder of this video to see her amazing transformation. And thank you so much for choosing Bulletproof. Say bye, Maya. Shut the door right behind you and then go say hi. She's like, wait a minute. There it is. Yes. You know what she's doing? Oh, there it is. I was just about to say she got a lot of good composure there for a second. And then, not forget you there.
No, she Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is Maya. Bulletproof was great. I, dropped her off, and then, immediately on the videos that I was getting sent from Ivory, our trainer here, it was amazing to kind of see the progress in such a short time. Within even the first couple days after she got acquainted with everything, just seeing the results on the videos, laying in the front of stores for multiple minutes at a time and not getting up. Really, the progress is just incredible to see day by day. So couldn't recommend it enough. Going over the commands here with me as well, I'm just already seeing quick responses, things that she, again, would have never done 2 weeks ago. So can't recommend it enough. She's been great.